We're moving these devices from the cabinets up here to our new cabinet right here. Right now, Derek is just putting in the power supply so the cable can reach the power box. Where is it at? Right there. Only in here by one screw anyway, right? Uh-oh. That was dust, but Eric when he got the big fan. See it right there? Works wonders.
Okay.
Got the console cable. This is real car. This is what I do.